Hello, how to solve square root of x plus x equals 2, solving for values of x that satisfy this equation. So, what we can do is to start by moving this x over here. This becomes square root of x equals 2 minus x. This becomes minus x. So we take the squares of product of this equation. This cancels this. I have x equals this. We are going to have 2 minus x times 2 minus x. So from here, I have x equals 2 times 2, that is 4, 2 times minus x, minus 2x minus x times 2, minus 2x minus x times minus x, plus x squared. From here, I have x equals 4, this is minus 4x plus x squared. I can move this x over here, it becomes negative x again. So this is 0 equals 4 minus 4x plus x squared, then minus x. From here, we have 0 equals 4 minus 4x minus x, that is minus 5x plus x squared. Let's rearrange this whole equation starting with x squared. I have x squared minus 5x plus 4 equals 0. So this is a quadratic equation that we are going to solve. And we are going to solve this using the formula method first. Now, let's write a formula in respect to x. I have x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2a. Now I'm finding the values of a and b and c. The equation of x squared 1 here is our a. This negative 5 is our b and 4 is our c. So substituting all these values right here, of x equals negative b, that is negative times negative 5, plus or minus square root of b squared, that is negative 5, to the power of 2, minus 4 times 1 times 4, divided by 2 times 8. So from here, of x equals this is 5 plus or minus square root of, which is 25 minus 16, divided by 2. So from here, of x equals 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus 16. This is 9 divided by 2. From here, of x equals plus or minus square root of 9 is 3, divided by 2. So we have two values for x. I can have x equals 5 plus 3 divided by 2, or 5 minus 3 divided by 2. From here, of x equals 5 plus 3, 8 divided by 2, or 5 minus 3, 2 divided by 2. From here, of x equals 4, or 1. Now, this is one way of solving this particular quadratic equation. Let's solve it again using the formula method. As 0 equals 4 minus 5x plus x squared. I can rearrange it having x squared minus 5x plus 4 equals 0. Let's solve it, guys. Let's solve it, guys. Let's solve it, guys. Now, what we are going to do, I'm going to make use of the method of factorization. So, right now, let's factorize this. In order to factorize this, we simply need two numbers that we are going to add when we add the two numbers, we are going to have -5. And once we multiply the two numbers, we will have +4. What are the positive or the possible two numbers that we add to have -5? We multiply to have 4. And the two numbers are likely -4 and -1, because -4 plus -1 will give us -5. -4 times -1 give us 4. Now, let's insert it right here in respect to x. So, we write it in respect to x, we have x squared. It is -4x minus x plus 4 equals 0. We have made use of this and attach s because we are dealing with x variable here. Now, we can simply factor out x here because there's x and x here. Then we divide this by x, we have x minus divided by x, we have 4. Here we can factor out -1. This divide this. So -x divided 1, we have x here. Then this divide this, we have -4 again, equals 0. So we can pick one of these because it appears in two places. We have x minus 4 times this and length 1. And we have this equals 0. So we can equate each of these to 0. We have x minus 4 equals 0 and x minus 1 equals 0. So if you solve these two individual equations, you have x equals 4 and this x equals 1. So any method, you have the same thing, whether long division or factorization method. Now we can decide to check if this value satisfies the equation. Our x is 4 or 1. Now we have square root of x plus x equals 1. When x is 4, we have square root of 4 plus 4. Is it the same thing as 1 or 2? Sorry, this is 2. Is it the same thing as 2? Square root of 4 is 2 plus 4. This is not 2 because 2 plus 4 here is 6 and this is not 2. It's obviously greater than 2. Now let's do when x is 1. So you have square root of x plus x equals 2. Let's consider when x is 1. We have square root of 1 plus 1 equals 2. Square root of 1 is 1 plus 1 equals 2. And 1 plus 1, this is 2. And this equals 2. The both sides are the same. So this satisfies the equation as well. So guys, this is it. And don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you and goodbye.